Earlier I released a video warning small businesses of the potential for fraud charges stemming from an ambiguous PPP loan certification process. In response to so many professionals scratching their heads over who qualifies for the PPP loan and who's a fraudster, the government extended the deadline to today. And unfortunately for small businesses, for every small business owner, the government hasn't provided much more guidance on who's a fraudster and who is certified in good faith. All we really know for sure is today's the day to give the money back under what's known as the safe harbor rule. I don't know if the idea was to scare businesses who don't necessarily need the money into giving it back, or just scare everyone. While lawyers and accountants are scratching their heads on the advice to give clients, we do know there is a threshold that will receive higher scrutiny. Now, the government is going to scrutinize any loan over $2 million. And that's not to say, though, that smaller loans won't be examined. The government has created a tremendous gray area for business owners who accept PPP loans. It sounds like each financial position and available means of credit could be on the table for the government to consider and review. And certainly, the larger the loan, the more scrutiny. So the guidance for small businesses with funding under $2 million is very scant. But what we do know is your ability to receive financing or other forms of liquidity is something that's going to be considered. From everything that I have seen and heard, this is going to be a case-by-case consideration by the government. So what do we do? What can be done? Well, what you can do to protect yourself, I would suggest keeping good records. Do this the entire process. Note any challenges facing your business, any drop in leads or potential customer calls falling off, reduced revenue, increases in staffing absences, things that might not show on your books, and talk to your accountant and perhaps a good lawyer.